Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I prepare my goat meat for frying or making stew or sometime making bouillon soup. So to start, I have my goat meat here. I'm cleaning my goat meat with vinegar, white vinegar, um lime juice and bitter orange juice. If you don't have bitter orange juice, that's fine, because not every it's sometimes it's hard to find, but this is what I'm using to prepare it, to clean it out. So sometimes you remove the excess fat if you could find any. Goat meat is not, it's not red meat and it's not that fattening. So remove any extra skin, fat, or anything that doesn't look pleasant in your eye. So go ahead and rub it and get that acidity in there, and then give it a rinse. And while you're doing that, make sure you have water boiling. You're gonna need about 5 cups of water. It doesn't really matter, just boil water, because we're gonna pour hot water over it. That helps the meat tenderize a little bit and also get rid of all the impurities. So after you rinse it, go ahead and pour your hot boiling water over it, or you can just transfer the meat into the pot, whatever way is easier for you, and give it a quick stir, and then drain the water out. This gets all the impurities out, at least most. And go ahead now, squeeze your lime juice. We're gonna marinate. So for seasonings, I am using chicken bouillon cube, adobo, goya, bitter orange juice, lime juice of course, and some all-purpose chicken seasoning, which you may skip, but it's all up to you. This is what I use. Use whatever spices that you have on hand and whatever spices that you actually like. And of course, Epis. You just can't be preparing any type of savory dishes, Haitian dishes, and not put Epis in it, not marinated with Epis. You just, I don't know. You just got to. You got to. And as always, I will leave a link of my Epis recipe in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And of course, some oil to help the marinade. And this I always use for my meat. Honestly guys, it really brings out the flavor. It really helps your dishes. I'm telling you, trust me, it really does. And we're in America, we gotta compromise. We gotta use what we have, okay? The stuff that we have in Haiti, we don't have them here, so I'm gonna use whatever I have. So use whatever you have to make your meat delicious. And of course, scotch, bonnet, pepper. I don't know, you just gotta be spicy. Some fresh thyme and fresh parsley. Go ahead and let it marinate for at least 4 hours. I usually do overnight. And then go ahead and boil it. And usually goat meat takes a little bit of time to cook. Took about 45 minutes to an hour. Make sure you add water continuously and also stirring it here and there, checking it. Don't let it get, don't let it get burned. And after that, whatever you want to do, you can either fry it or make a stew or make soup with it. I chose to fry it, and I ate it with fried plantain and some Pikliz. God, I don't even, oh my God, y'all know how I feel about this. I love goat meat. Honestly, is my favorite meat. Literally my favorite meat. Like, I love goat meat. I love goat meat. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I hope you make some goat. Thank you.